We've got a 1996 KLR 250 that we picked up this week. Really clean bike, really nice bike. Older gentleman had it. Front fender appears to be cut off. I'm not sure what that's about. And I pulled off all the tape. There was tape on the seat all over, but not necessarily tears where the tape was. The rear bag is still here. It has a couple little tears. The seat is worn there and there, but it's almost perfect. And if you look, like, the factory exhaust is all there and perfect. Brakes were really decent when I rode it. Sprockets are good. No oil leaks. No coolant leaks. Tires are almost brand new. You can see there's still the nubbies on them, front and back. All the lights work. Everything's there. It was a Wisconsin titled bike. And let me see if I can get it to start real quick.